wanted to let y'all know we are going to be starting a new video series called Worm Wisdom Wednesday. Say that 10 times fast. We are just going to be sharing some of the products that we carry, as well as tips and tricks on those products and kind of how we do stuff here at the shop. For our first video, we are going to show you how to prep the surface before you install vinyl graphics on a vehicle. So if there's anything that you would like to see a video on, or any questions that you have, please leave them in the comments below and maybe we'll make a video on it. So let's take it over to Ashley. Here are some of the products that you're going to need: a clay bar, masking tape, a squeegee, a microfiber towel, a spray bottle. And here at the shop we use this solution called Splash, so we mix it in a big jug. You can also use a watered down alcohol solution as well, or a glass cleaner like Windex. You just want to be sure to rinse it after if you do use the glass cleaner. Spray the car down and wipe it with a clean microfiber towel. It's important to use a clean towel so that you don't scratch your paint. You want to be sure to wipe down any areas you're going to be installing vinyl on really well to get rid of any extra oil, grease, wax, anything like that. All of those things can cause the vinyl not to stick. Then you just want to go over it with the clay bar to get off any other contaminants that may still be on there, and it just helps to make the surface really smooth before install. You can skip this step if you don't have a clay bar. This is just what we do here at the shop. Just be sure to clean the area really well before you install the vinyl. Give it a good wipe down after you use the clay bar. We do use a high-grade wrap material. Technically, it can be installed wet or dry. We do recommend doing it wet. That just gives you time to reposition the graphic if you need to. Here at the shop, we do use the Splash solution. We recommend that or just plain water. You don't want to use any kind of soap or anything like that. A lot of modern soaps have a moisturizer in them, and that can cause the vinyl not to stick as well. For installation, just plain water works just fine. Now for the masking tape. You want to use the tape to test the area to see if there is still any oil or wax on the vehicle. If the tape is just coming right up and not really gripping to the car, you want to be sure to clean the area some more. That means that there is still oil or wax left on the car. Be sure to test all the surface area where you will be installing the vinyl. If the tape is really sticking to the car, that means that the surface area is prepped and ready for install. Give it a final wipe down and you're ready for vinyl installation. If there's any questions or comments or any other videos you'd like to see, please leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.